Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we're going to be using my extra short soft gel full nail covers. The audio or the video cut out. I have no clue what happened. So these are the nail covers I'm using. For Polygel, we're using a Milky white Polygel. This specific brand is Model 1's. I like the Beatles one better, which is crazy because typically I prefer Model 1's over anything. But the Beatles Milky white Polygel is like, it stays nice and thick, so it's easier to work with. This was a little difficult to work with, but yeah, so I'm just going in and applying it to my soft gel full nail cover, and I'm just making sure that the Milky white Polygel is covered wall to wall. For slip solution, I'm using alcohol. A lot of nail kits come with a slip solution to use with the Polygel. I actually find that it's harder to use than alcohol. So if you've never just tried, simple plain alcohol before as your slip, I recommend giving it a try. It makes polygels easier to work with. But as you can see, I'm just really cleaning up around the cuticle area and making sure that any polygel that may have oozed out around the sides or cuticle area is fully removed and nice and cleaned up before going into cure. So that's pretty much the process. Very simple, very easy. You guys have seen me do this a million times before, so I'm just going to sit back and I'll be back after we finish applying all 5 fingers. I did want to call out here that you can see me flipping the nail upside down, and I'm just flattening the underside. It's very important. You don't want to miss that step, because if they come out super bulky underneath your nails and you want any cure, you'll have to follow that down, and that's just another unnecessary step. It's easier to flatten it now than try and flatten it after curing. Okay, so here's what the nails are looking like. I'm going to go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and just wipe my nails down before we go in and begin filing. Gonna go in with this 8080 grit nail file. This is by Amazon. Well, this is purchased on Amazon, and I'll be sure to have the direct link to it down below. If you've never tried an 8080 or even like a 6060 grit nail file before, definitely give it a try. The lower grit makes your nails like sharper and nicer, you know, just everything looks better. We're typically used to like the 100-180 grit nail files. Give 8080 a try. I'll leave a link to these ones below. I think it comes in a pack of 20 or something for like $7, so definitely worth the investment. This shaping part is very quick and easy because you're using pre-shaped soft gel full nail covers. That really does all the shaping for you, which is the main reason why I love using these soft gel full nail covers. Shaping can take a long time, so this cuts down on that amount of time significantly and helps you ensure that your nails are all the same size and shape and whatnot. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with a duster and remove off all of that dust. If you did fully prep your nails, at this point you could go in and wash your hands with some soap and water. I'm going to go in with some alcohol and wipe down my nails again before we begin doing a little bit more shaping and blending. So I'm going back in with my MelodySusie e-file, and I'm going in with my cuticle bit, and I'm just going to go in and really make sure that those cuticles are seamless and blended to my nails, so it looks like, you know, my actual nails, like they're growing out my nails and like you walk fresh out of a salon. So yeah, I'm just going in with that cuticle bit and really sharpening up those edges, or blending rather. Gonna go in with a finer cuticle bit and do the same thing. I'm using this rubber stamper to do my French manicure tip. If you've never used a rubber stamper before, game changer. If there was ever like a nail kit that must have in essentials, if you like doing French tips, this rubber nail stamper is an essential for sure. I'm also going to be using this white gel polish. As you can see, it just makes doing French tips super easy. This rubber stamper is also available for purchase on Amazon. I will have it linked down below, but as you can see, I'm just going in, pressing it, and like doing a little rocking motion, and it makes the perfect French tip. So you can control the thickness, you can control how deep you want the smile lines. I prefer a nice deep smile line French tip. So I'm going in with a nail art brush, and I'm just deepening up those lines. But if you don't prefer deep lines, like, you could just bam, done. So I absolutely love using a nail stamper for French tip. If you're doing pointy nails, like almond shaped nails, or even stiletto, definitely don't recommend. This has to be with like a square or even like a round or coffin shape. Anything pointy that could possibly jab it, don't recommend doing it. You could maybe give it a shot with almond, but you want to be careful there, especially stiletto. Like, no, don't even try it with stiletto because it'll like poke right through. But yeah, definitely a game changer. Makes the whole process of doing French tips super easy. If you do like super long nails, it probably won't work as well because you want that deep smile line, especially with like extendos. So if you do long nails, probably not. This is probably a best hack for like short to medium length nails. But yeah, as you guys can see, super easy. Awesome little nail hack nail tool. I found this nail hack on TikTok. There was like millions of creators doing it, so I wouldn't even know who to tag, but I did find this hack on TikTok. This is not my thinking, so I just wanted to share that there. Alright, so here's what the final nails are looking like. Going in and gonna top off and seal in those nails. I always feel like I go back to this OPI gel top coat like every month. And it's because I have it on my nail desk. I have never thrown it out. It's so bad though, and it sucks because it has so much potential. Like, I don't know what it is about this gel top coat, but every time I use it, the dullness is like instant. Like, if I go wash my hands, it's immediately dull. Like, there's no shine, no nothing. And I don't know why that is, so I definitely wouldn't recommend this specific top coat by OPI because it's not good. It's a shame because it looks like so nice and glossy after curing, but as soon as you wash your nails, it's over, it's done. So don't get that one. Alright, going in with cuticle oil, the last and final step. This is my favorite part. This cuticle oil is by MelodySusie. But you just want to make sure that you're investing in using an ultra hydrating cuticle oil. And here's the final nail look. Super easy, simple look. If you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial and this video overall, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will be sure to catch you in my next video. Bye.